Okay, so homework for Tuesday is going to be to have a collided. First of all, verify that all of your pads are balanced cut and fill. Okay? So after you've done that, you are going to create blocks that sit on top of each of the pads. Now, the pads are all substantially larger than your program areas. If the collision is not sufficiently expressed the way that those blocks come together, then you got to save your file, copy it over, and redo the pads so that the pads actually affect how much collision is happening between the two mass or the multiple massings, because you are going to have multiple massings. After you get a successful collision of the massings and terraces, and the terraces are all balanced cut and fill, and you can prove that to me, then the next thing you're going to do is you are going to start to put all of your program pieces inside of those very large pads that you've created, or the blocks that are on the pads. And after you've got your program pieces inside of it, you might have to make another adjustment to the pads so that you can get from program piece to program piece within the blocks. Once you've done that, then you can finally get to the point where you start to subtract out from the large blocks that are on the pads to reveal the program to the outside. Okay? And what's required for Tuesday is to have one complete scheme showing all of your program pieces labeled with corridors as necessary, pool, etc., all completely worked out for one scheme.